Amaqembu aphikisayo amkhiphile uDokotela Mpho Phalatse esikhundleni sokuba imeya yomkhandludolobha waseGoli. Umfelandawonye wamaqembu ahlukene oholwa iDA ubudinga izihlalo eziyisishiyagalombili zePatriotic Alliance ukuze kuvikeleke uPhalatse ekukhishweni kwesobumeya.
I'm very appreciative of every kind word that was said to me in this council, regardless of who it came from. A lot of work has happened in the last 13 months, and it feels good when somebody appreciates it, and they need to be recognized for appreciating it. As for what they said about the events leading up to today, unfortunately, yes, we were trying as the Democratic Alliance with our partners to bring in the Patriotic Alliance to stabilize our government.
I-Action SA ikholelwa ekutheni iDA imdicilele phansi uPhalatse.
She experienced today and over the past few months what Herman experienced a few years ago, what caused Herman to leave the Democratic Alliance. Now she has felt it herself as well. So we really feel sorry for her because she's been let down by her party. The DA has been a consistently reluctant partner. They've had no interest in sustaining and protecting this coalition. We lost today as a coalition bloc because we did not have majority.